Yo, what is up? Back again. So today we're going to be trying to sort list. So I'm going to go ahead and create a list. So I like to have my square bracket, open it up, and then the first thing inside, we're going to start naming some cars. So we got a Tesla, BMW, and then we're going to have a Toyota. Whoops, forgot the quotes. Toyota. If I can spell correctly. Then we're gonna throw in a Subaru. And what are some more cars? We'll put an Audi in there. And then one final one, which is a Lexus. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we want to print to see what the values is currently holding inside of the cars list. So I want to run this file just to see what's inside of the cars list. So as you can see, it just pretty much just matches what's up there at the top. So now I want to have the list be sorted. So I want to do cars dot sort. So this method sort will go ahead and sort everything, sort all the elements that are inside of the list. And then after sorting that, I want to print it out again so I can see the difference between what's here up at the top when it's first printed out, after the sort, and then print it out again. So as you can see here, the first time around, it gives it right back the same way that I typed it in, and then after sorting it, as you can see here, it sorts it in alphabetical order. So that is how you sort a list and using the sort method.